Hi everybody, it's Mrs. Garibaldi and I am here for Tuesday's math lesson. So I know I haven't been able to see you this week yet because I'm still at school packing up our classroom and getting all of your things together for you to pick up next week. So remember that our next Zoom is on Thursday, okay? So no Zoom today or tomorrow, but we will have a Zoom again on Thursday, all right? So today you will need your Envisions math book. Turn to page 513 and I'm going to share my screen so you can see that. All right. So we're on, let's see here. Here we go, nice and big. All right. So 513 is what we're going to start on today. All right. And let me go ahead. I'm going to pull out the pages we're not going to work on today. Okay. So we're going to start here, and we see Jackson, and he wants to find a solid figure. The solid figure has more than one flat side, and it rolls. So a figure that has more than one flat side and rolls. Let's look. Well, here we go. Does this sphere have a flat side? Nope, can't be that one. Does this cone have more than one flat side? It just has one flat side, doesn't it? So this can't be it, even though that one rolls and it has a flat side. It doesn't have more than one flat side. All right, does this have more than one flat side? Yeah, this is a flat side, this is a flat side. But does this roll? No, this one would slide, wouldn't it? And so we said not a sphere, not a cone, not a cube. So we can go ahead, let's go ahead and cross out all of those shapes. So no cones, no cubes, no spheres. What are we left with, you guys? Cylinders. So let's look at these cylinders. Does a cylinder have more than one flat side? It has a flat side here and a flat side that it's sitting on down here. And does it roll? Yeah, if you turn it on its side like this one, it will roll. So let's go ahead, we'll get our crayon out and we'll color in the solid shape Jackson was looking for, which was a cylinder because it has two flat sides and can roll. That was some really great clues he gave us to figure out what shape he was looking for. Nice, excellent, you guys. So if you need more time to color, you can pause the video, but if you're ready, we're going to turn to page 514. Okay. So now what I want to do is we're going to take a look, and I'm going to stop sharing because I want to go into the Pearson Realize, and I want to go ahead and watch their interactive video that goes along with the visual learning here at the top. All right, so let me go ahead. I'm going to navigate to that. We're on lesson 13.2. And I'm going to show you how to get there. Let me share my screen with you. So you go into Pearson, you click the topic 13, you select 13.2, and this is the screen it will bring you to. And then you're going to scroll down to the visual learning, and we'll click on that, and it's going to bring up the lesson for this section here. Here we go.
Jackson has a cube, a cone, a sphere, and a cylinder. Let's compare these solid figures. Look at the sphere, the cylinder, and the cone. How do these shapes move?
Well, we can say that the sphere rolls. The cylinder rolls, yeah. The cone rolls, they all roll.
They roll. What about these shapes makes them able to roll? Part or all of them is round. The cube and the cylinder are stacked. Why can we stack the cylinder and the cube?
Because they have flat sides, right? They have flat sides that can touch and stack. If you put the rounded side of the cylinder on the cube, would it be able to stack? No, only the flat sides stack.
The cube and the cylinder each have a flat side. Which shapes can slide?
So the cube and the cone and the cylinder can slide also because they have flat sides. So let's try it. We're going to decide if each object can roll, be stacked, or slide. So we're going to place each object into one or more of the boxes, okay? Here we go. So, can this cube roll? No. Can it be stacked? Yes. Can this cube also slide? Yeah, because it has a flat side. This sphere, it can roll, but can it be stacked? No. Can it slide? No, because it's going to roll. Let's take a look at this cone. Can the cone roll? If it's on its side. Can it be stacked? Well, it sure can because it can go on top, right? And can it slide? Yes, because it has a flat side. What about this cylinder? Can the cylinder roll? Can the cylinder stack? Yeah. And can it slide? It can. Nice. Let's see if we got it right.
The cube, the cone, and the cylinder can all slide. Why can they slide? They can slide because they each have a flat side. Now you know how to compare solid figures.
Excellent job. We did it, you guys. All right. So now let's go back into the book and we're going to finish our lesson today. All right. Here we go. So that was the part for up here. Now let's go into our guided practice. It says, look at the stacked solid figure on the left. Then draw a circle around the other solid figures that can stack. So you'll notice that they have circled the cube because it has some flat sides it can stack, and also the cylinder. Perfect. Now we're going to do the same thing for number 2. Look at the rolling solid figure on the left, which is a sphere, and then draw a circle around the other solid figures that roll. So which other figures have a round side that can roll? The cone and the cylinder. And I want you to say the names as you circle them to keep practicing that vocabulary. Now let's go ahead and turn the page. We're going to do the same thing for 3 and 4. So on number 3, let's look at the sliding solid figure on the left. So the sliding cylinder. And then you're going to draw a circle around the other solid figures that can slide. Now the thing that helps them slide is they have a flat side. So which of these solid figures also have a flat side? Not the sphere. The cube does, and so does the cone. Let's look at number 4. Look at the stacked solid figures on the left. Then draw a circle around the other solid figures that can stack on top of the cubes. So we could put the cylinder on top. Could we put the sphere on? It would roll off. Could we put the cone on top? We could. It has a flat side. Nice. Number 5, draw a circle around the solid figure that rolls and stacks. So which one of these rolls and stacks? If you said the cylinder, you're correct. So circle the yellow cylinder. it rolls and stacks. Here we go. Number 6, draw a circle around the solid figure that slides and rolls. Draw a circle around the solid figures that slide and rolls. It wants us to pick 2. So which one of these slides and rolls? Well, this one slides and rolls. And this one, the cone slides and rolls. Does the cube slide and roll? No, it only slides. Let's look at number 7. Draw a circle around the solid figures that stack and slide. Stack and slide. Well, this cube stacks and slides. This cylinder stacks and slides. This sphere does not stack or slide. Number 8. Have students, so you guys, draw a circle around the solid figure that does not stack or slide. What is it? Which one does not stack or slide? If you said sphere, you're right. Nice work. Now, let's turn the page, and this is going to be the page that you are to take a picture of and submit to edsby. So just this page. All right, my friends. So I'm going to read the directions, and you're going to complete the task. Here we go. Number 9, look at the rolling object on the left. Then draw a circle around the other objects that roll. So any of the other objects that roll, draw a circle on it. Okay, so number 9, now you're going to circle any object that also rolls. So can a ball roll? How about this cylinder if it was on its side? How about this cone, the party hat? How about this gift? Does the gift roll? All right, so now let's move on to number 10. If you need more time, go ahead and pause the video. You're going to look at the sliding object on the left. And then you're going to draw a circle around the other objects that slide. Only the objects that slide. So, does this slide? Does this slide? Does this slide? Does this slide? So you're going to circle only the objects that slide. Go ahead and do that now. On number 11, and if you need to pause, pause me. If you're ready to go on to number 11, here's the question. Draw 2 solid figures that can stack on each other. So you're going to draw 2 solid figures that can stack on each other. So you're going to do that now. On number 11, you're going to draw 2 solid figures that can stack on each other. And go ahead and pause the video right now until you're finished, and then you can click play again. All right, number 12. You're going to draw a circle. For number 12, draw a circle around the cube. Then you're going to explain why the other solid is not a cube. And remember, cubes, all the sides are the same. Okay, so cubes, all the sides are the same length. Okay, so around the whole thing, it's all the same. So why is this rectangular prism not a cube? Okay, all right, my friends, that is the end of our lesson today. I hope you had a great time. I love you, I miss you, and I will see you at our live Zoom on Thursday. All right, have a great day. Goodbye.